just remind me of your name again. Lovely, thank you. Date of birth. Sorry, what year was that? Cool, thank you. Address, just for I can put you into the system. Cool. Lovely. What else do I need to take? Oh goodness me, I've forgotten. Oh, your phone number, just in case I want to call you back to check up on how you're doing, if you want another appointment or anything. Lovely. Okay, I think that is everything. At the end, I'm also just going to ask you some follow-up questions, if that's okay. Lovely, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to put my pen lid back, and I just wanted to explain to you that throughout this procedure and this appointment, I am going to be referencing my book. I am going to be referencing my book. I'm just going to put it down here. So if you see me look slightly off, it's just because I'm looking at my little book. Okay, lovely. And I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to be very gentle. I've got a little box full of all the things I'm going to be using in our appointment today. Because obviously I need some tools in the triggers I'm going to be using today, So we're going to start off. Just make sure you're sitting comfortably. Are you all okay? Lovely. Okay, we're going to start. Off with some clicking noises. This mouse sound, lovely mouse sound, some mouse sound clicking noises, like. So, what do you think about the click trigger? Okay. I'm just going to also mention that I'm going to be using some hand movements throughout, as I feel this is a really relaxing technique, just to add on to the triggers. Okay. So our next trigger is acrylic nail tapping. So, as you can see, I don't have any acrylic nails on at this current moment, but I'm going to apply some pen caps to my fingers, and I'm just going to do some acrylic nail tapping. It's a very similar sound that it creates, so bear with me while I put this on, and then we can start the trigger. So now I've got my nails on, I can begin the tapping. So it's quite a popular trigger when you just tap them together. So we can go around this side, and then around this side, and then in front of them. And then we're going to come up near your face. And do some little tippy tapping. This one. This one. And then I'm going to tap your teeth. I'm going to tap your teeth. Let me tap your teeth. Let me tap your teeth. And so now that we've done with these, I'm going to take them off. I'm just going to remove them from my fingers. And as you can see, I've sort of got pen on the top of my fingers here, but you have to just ignore that. So now we're going to be doing some finger fluttering, and this can be quite intense finger fluttering. It's kind of hard to do with the rings on, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to take this one off, it's getting in the way. I'm going to do some all around the mic. I'm going to do some here. I sort of like doing it like this, but you can also do it like this. But if you've got rings on, I find this is harder. I'm just doing some finger fluttering. Trying to do all of them at once is quite difficult. Finger fluttering, finger fluttering, finger fluttering, finger fluttering, finger fluttering. Okay, now that one is done, we're going to move on to quick talking. So for this, I'm just going to be really quickly just talking, keeping the flow going at this sort of pace, just really, like keep going at the pace, so it's just going to be rambling, nothing coming out of my mouth, so keep going, my fingers are touching your face, just go down the face, touch the nose, just touching your face, coming up really close, I'm just so up close, and I'm going to tap on my headphones, brush down the fringe, I'm going to brush your hair, I'm going to come nearer the mic, really close, and really quiet, really quiet, you can barely hear me. I'll be tapping on my own face, and just really fast, talking so fast, and then I'm just going to get really close, and then go really far away, I'm just going really far away, sort of getting a bit louder, so this far away, I'm going to coming really close, keeping it really fast, so fast, talking so fast, but I got to remember to breathe, breathe in, keep breathing, you have to breathe, come back in, really fast, and back to normal. How was the fast talking? How did you find the fast talking? Cool. Okay. We're gonna go on now to tongue flicking, so I can do it really close. And then I can do it quite far away. slower so you can sort of see it a bit better. Just sort of going really odd directions and then a little round and round and round again. So now that we've done some nice lens brushing, we're going to be moving on to some mic brushing. So I'm going to start at the top where it's going to be quite quiet. I'm going to move down the sides. It's going to get a little louder. And then I'm going to move around to the front where it should be the loudest. I'm going to move around to the other side. It's going to get a bit quieter. And move to the top again where it's going to be the quietest. Actually, it's probably quietest back here to be fair. We're just going to really brush it. Really brush it. Come down and around. All around. You can, if you want, focus here. You can focus on like the webbed bit of my hand as well if you want. And obviously if you're focusing on the web bit where my hands go together, you can focus on the fingers. And now I'm gonna get you to focus on one or the other. You can't see this one anymore. And now you can just focus on the whole hand if you want. Okay, follow the finger, follow the finger. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, next is some kisses. Sorry, that was my stomach. Okay, so that's kisses. And next, I'm going to grab some scissors and we're just going to get in there. We're going to give you a little trim on the hair. And we're going to cut out some negative energies. So I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to trim. Just do a little bit of trimming on your hair. I'm going to just come down here as well. I'm going to come around the mic a little bit. But actually, we just need to focus on your hair. We really do need to focus on the hair. And then we're going to focus on like the pulled out energy. We're just going to pull out some energy and snip it off, like the negative energy. Pulling it out and snipping it off. Pulling it out and snipping it off. Pulling it out and snipping it off. And then we're going to go back in on the hair, just make sure everything is clean and cleaned up and cleaned up. And we're going to use this hand now. And just cleaning everything up and then pulling out negative energy and cutting it, pulling out negative energy and cutting it, pulling out negative energy and cutting it, cutting it, cutting it. Pull it out, just really get snip, snip. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Now I'm just going to go in with a makeup application. And I said makeup application, I'm just going to make it really fast, really quick, really quick. So I'm just going to powdering your face and powdering your face, going over the face, powdering the face. Powder, powder, powder all over this, like your cheeks, nose, chin, across the sort of this area here, like your jaw, your forehead, just down the T-zone. Close your eyes, over your eyes, look up, under your eyes, all over, cheekbone. Okay, cool. So you're all powdered. Next we do your contour. So look this way. Look this way. Look this way, Look up, and this way, look up and this way. So I can do the jaw, Look up there. So I can get the chin, the lower chin. And then look up and this way. Up and that way. And then I need to do a bit more on the cheeks, so just this way again. So I can, like this. Other way. Okay, the nose, I just want you to sort of sit straight for me. And then up, so I can do that underneath. And then this way, so I can do this bit. And then that way. And then look forward. And then I'm just gonna blend it. Cool. We're gonna go in with some blush now. Or like what's the blush? Do you want it like sort of just straight across to shorten the face, or like lift it to sort of like lift the face, or just on the apples? And do you want some across your nose? Well, I think the best thing, I'm just gonna do what I think actually. Because I think what would suit you is just going like this on the cheek, and the other cheek, and this on the 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 other cheek, and then across your nose a little bit to just get that sun kiss, like that really sun kiss, like, and I'm gonna go with the other one, just blend it, really blend it, like up and out, just give it a bit of a lifted look, up and out, and then just, I like to put just a little bit on the chin, just because the sun would naturally catch you anyway. Okay, lovely. And then we're gonna just curl your eyelashes, so just come like real close, okay? Just curl them, just curling them, and then just curling them, and just stay still, just really getting in them, just like this. This is sort of what I'm doing. I'm just really getting them like nice and lifted. So just lift those lashes, oh yeah, keep your eyes glazed. Okay, cool, that's done. So next is the mascara. So just stay really still, because I just want to get this done really quick. Okay, up, look up, and blink, look up, and blink, and up, and up, and up, and blink, and blink, and blink, and just swipe up, and then we're going to do the underneath. So if you could look up, kind of, I'm just going to do, and we only need a little bit on there, but I'm just going to make sure it's really brushed out, and then I'm just going to do one more swipe, a few more swipes, and then a few more swipes, and then I think that's done. Because I'm just being really quick with it. We're going to go in with some eyeliner. Who do you sort of want your eyeliner like? Because I could do your eyeliner like anyone really. So we could go like an Amy Winehouse look, or we could go for like a real Ariana Grande look, or we could go for like a Twiggy look. That's like really like out there and bold. Okay, cool, we'd go with that then. And like on the bottom line, we're just going to line around the eyes, and then like create some false lashes on the bottom, but then also sort of down turn the eyes a little bit at the edge, down turn the eyes a little bit at the edge, but you go over, down turn the edge, goes to spike out. Cool, that's good. Oh, I forgot your highlight. Just like this, so I can get the highest part of your cheekbone, and then like a little bit on the nose, like here and here, where it naturally shine, and then your eyebrow bone, a little bit on the chin, and a little bit on your forehead. Okay, lovely. I'm gonna give you a bit of setting spray. Just ignore that there's none in here. Okay, lovely. Lovely. What else have we got? I think that's all for your makeup. Okay, so now we've done like a really quick makeup application. I'm gonna take a lovely little photo of you on my phone. It's my phone. I'm just gonna take a picture. Click. This is my phone. This is the camera, and I'm just gonna click. Smile. Taking a lovely photo of you. And now actually I'm gonna get my camera out and I'm just gonna click. Just really smile. Just taking a photo, just click. And you look so beautiful. Click. And maybe we should do like a funny one, like pull a funny face. Okay, click. And now do like an Instagram, like one for Instagram, so like sort of like, yeah. That looks so good. Okay. So now we're gonna do some palm tapping. Palm tapping. I want you to look right here, my palm, look right, no, where else should it, no, don't look anywhere else, just here on the palm, here on the palm, nowhere else, just here, and now over here, and now over here, and then look at both, go like one eye this way, one eye this way, go here, and then focus on this one for a while, actually gonna like sort of slap him, and then tap on him, and then slap him, and then tap on it, and then this one, quick shift, it's like really quick shifting, to each hand, lovely, and now I'm just gonna be like coming really up close to the mic and talking some like alien language gibberish, So now that we've talked some alien gibberish, I'm sure you understood all of it. We're going to be doing a little bit of face touching. So I'm just going to come in and touch your nose, just touch your nose, and then sort of just poke at the firmness of face, poke, like this, poke, and just poke. I'm just going to outline your lips, and then I'm just going to go over, swipe over your eyelids and round, and like sort of trace out your eyebrows. I'm just going to go round, and swipe and round, then trace out the eyebrow, and down the nose, and down the nose, and then really work my fingers down the hollows of your cheeks. And then I'm going to tap on your forehead a little bit. Tap down. Close your eyes so I don't tap your eyelid. Tappy on your face. Push on your face. Push on your cheeks, your little cheeks. And then on your chin. Give your chin a smack. Lovely. And I'm going to grab your ears. I've got your here a bit, and then I'm just gonna move you over here a bit. Move you over here a bit. And just tap, 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 tap. Hello, tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. And then I'm just gonna move you a little bit again. Tap, 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 tap. Just adjust you kind of like that. Okay. Let's just adjust you a final time. Just a final time. Perfect. And just a little one more tap. And just a little tap. Just a little tap. And then just lovely. Lovely. Okay, now you're just back in that position. I just sort of had to move you around a bit. Just get really close. I'm really sorry. Just had to adjust you. I'm gonna do some command blinking with you. So again, like it's following the fingers, but you blink when I tell you to. Blink. Blink. And blink. 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 And blink. And blink. And blink. And just smell it, can't you? Lovely. I'm glad you enjoyed the smell of that. Really fruity notes. And now I'm just going to be doing some counting. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to 8, 9, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, and that's how many triggers we have today. 30. Okay, so now we're going to be doing some pen writing. So I am just going to grab my book. I'm going to open another fresh page. I'm going to grab my pen again. And I'm just going to be writing. Give me something to write about. How about the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, lovely. And then I'm just going to write out your name again. I'm just going to underline it as well. And then I draw a little happy face. And then actually I'm going to write the alphabet backwards. So Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Lovely. So now I've done some pen sounds. I'm just going to sort of cross out everything that I wrote there because it's not important. And what I'm going to do now is lid sounds. So lovely. And now I'm going to be drawing shapes with my hand, and I want you to tell me what shape it is. Okay, so what shape was that? Good, it was a square. Okay, what shape is this? Okay, good, that was a triangle. Okay, what shape is this? Good, that was a circle. Okay, what shape is this? Do you want me to do it again? Okay, that was a rectangle. Good. And then I'm going to do that was a hexagon. Lovely. Okay. Now we're going to be doing some plucking with tweezers. Okay, so I'm going to be like plucking. Just really plucking. Plucking. actually, just let me fix this bit. Let me fix this bit up. Cool. I'm gonna come in like with some shading and also like the details of your eyes. I'm just filling in and like the pupil and the details and the outline, and then like the outline of the eyes and the eyelashes, the eyelashes, the eyelashes. Same for this one, same for this one, same for this one, and then like your nostrils. I'm just gonna get your nostrils, and then like your eyebrows. Just fill in like the hair-like details, and then like sort of the intricacies of your lips, and just sort of around shading, and then like some hair. Go do some hair, and it's like so quick, just like that. Okay, lovely. And so now I'm gonna do some gum chewing to finish off, and then we can do like then we can do the little survey at the end just to see what triggers that you enjoyed, and how you found the sleep clinic. So just extra eyes. Actually, just gonna put a little bit of lip balm on as well. This is not a planned trigger, but I need some. Lovely. I really smell close chewing. I'm chewing with my mouth shut. I'm chewing with it open. Really like viciously chewing it. And so now